We all have those crazy mom moments where we look at our kids or our husbands the night before a big event or something that we just want them to look good for, and we notice that their haircut is shaggy, but we don't have time to give a full haircut. Let me give you a really quick tip to refresh the hair in 1 minute or less. Grab your little trimmers and give them a good outline trim, and it will make the haircut look like it's fresh again. Let me show you what a difference this is going to make. Here is the before,